right now, Bacolod badly needs those numbers.
2 out of 13 na si Desmond Price. Galman hits the deck. Personal favorites, Coach.
A lot, actually. Madami nga dun, hindi ko kalain, nakataga Cebu pala.
Talaga?
Within that region. So, actually, hanapin ko yung listahan para mabalikan natin. Pero ang lakas din kasi ng mga teams dun sa kabila dun. Sina Alex Compton,
Sa
Romel
Manila.
Ducol, sa San Juan naman.
Oy, kala niya nag-pop out si Rafgo. Felicilda will lay it in. Wala. Jan takes the free and makes it.
And going back to your list of 21, the father of Ting Ting Manalili
Yeah.
was also recognized. Roger Yap is also, Judy Valenzuela.
Against itong Abra, who's obviously looking for that title retention bid, Coach Juan.
At this point, because nga it's a long season, I think the teams that have a deeper bench,
Na nasa KBL na si Jerry Abadiano, although he's still suiting up. At least in the meantime, Mike Phillips
those are two.
and Caloocan with that big win last Saturday. Kay Manny Lati, bouncing back. He was actually the one who spearheaded of his career with the Huskers. Batangas, you could not count them out. Lalo ngayon yung bagong mga pieces na meron ngayon si Coach Cholo Villanueva. There are worthy challengers dun sa trono.
It's you know, if you look at both divisions, the top 5 of both divisions, it's hard to tell. Anything can happen.
Umihit si Alfred Batino. Tumalaksak si Mike Ayonayon. Lays it in with the reverse. Short. David Defonso rattles home the 3. Pass to Dave Ildefonso. Swishes in the 3. 26 points na para kay DI. Inbound. Dangiwan turns around, kissing it off the glass and in.
Parang kailangan yata yung angulo niya nandun sa corner. Pag wala sa angulo, mali yung tingin niya sa ring eh.
Rare mishap on his part. 81-37, Dave.
It's too easy. Kapag nagawa 1-on-1 yan, malamang sa malamang si Sean ang nananalo.
Sa balita ko, as another free, Dave Ildefonso with 29 points. Naagaw, Ildefonso ahead. Wilkin Lee. Teka, titignan nila kung yung foul umabot.